A flash drive doesn't work on the computers at school, so I can't do my presentation.
Are you being serious? Are you being serious? Or are you just saying that to get out of presentation?
Nicole, let's go show Mr. Britt the magazine.
All right.
We have like 1 second.
Crap. We don't. Oh crap! I showed him already. Let's walk all the way to language language arts like this.
I have a piece here. Put it into one of those. Come on. And then you're done. Okay,
say hi, Jordan. What?
Careful with the camera. Remember they send motion to attach the wall?
I know. I'm not retarded.
Well, now you are.
Now you are. Not retarded. Not retarded. Oh, no. Izzy, look at the potato.
Sadly. Ow.
Okay, whoever's going to the door, I'm going to cover it. Oh my god. Just say please, motherfucker.
That's steroids.
I'm going to cover it with that.
Really bad Casey.
Okay, what did we do this?
Casey?
Yeah?
Everybody on steroids.
I have a friend.
I'm talking about Dustin taking steroids.
Swallows is cracked.
I don't know.
Who? Devin who? Oh, Devin Daniels?
Yeah.
Ew.
What do we talk about? If you're going to take steroids, don't tell anyone about it.
I'm not even getting you. Wow, this is sad. Quick, get in.
Hey, Nicole.
Quick, get in.
Nicole.
Get in. Get in.
Nicole, guess what I saw yesterday?
What?
Charlie Unicorn.
Oh, man.
Tomorrow.
Hey! Open the door!
Open the door, Tristan!
Open the door!
Miss Wallet!
No!
Help me!
Still going.
Thomas is banned from my life.
Wow, Thomas is retarded.
Thomas Walker.
Come on. Hot sauce. Hey! Get the turtle.
Say hello to my little friend.
You don't want a turtle? I don't have it anymore.
Don't. Stop! I'm gonna kill you. Okay, I'll edit it. Let go. I just got this. It's like $200. Kick your ass. I'm editing that. Hi.
Look at you, beat it. Nicole. Off camera. Hey, Gwen. Gwen, I have to ask a very important question. Do you like peanuts?
She knows it. It's Ashley.
I'm the restart the computer now. I can't go here for lunch anymore.
What?
No, I don't. Hey, sit down right now.